Now, what is happening here? Did Vice President Constantino Chiwenga just refuse to make the ED2030 slogan? Let's take a look.
Zanu Mnangagwa 2030.
Here we see the hand down just before the camera moves away. I'm just going to replay it. Now, I'm just going to reduce the speed a little bit. Let me just reduce it to 73%. You see the hand down there? It seems there is no response there. Let me just rewind it one more time. He's sitting next to President Mnangagwa there. All right, what is your opinion on this one? Write your answer in the comments section below. Dr. Clarence, Champions Network.